Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're already signed in and near the register, so start by opening the McDonald's app and selecting Order. Choose the In-Restaurant or Scan option. This tells the app to hold your order for pickup here. Next, pick your items and use modifiers for sauces, temperature, or add-ons. This ensures the kitchen prepares exactly what you want. Once done, review the cart so promos and taxes are visible, then proceed to payment to reserve your order for pickup. After reviewing your cart, pick a payment method, credit card, Apple/Google Pay, or stored app balance, because the app needs authorization before the kitchen starts. Then choose how you'll pick it up: counter, curbside, or table delivery if the restaurant supports it. This directs staff where to place your order. Make sure the app displays an order number and an estimated ready time. Those indicators let you track progress and avoid waiting unnecessarily. When your ready time arrives, tap I'm here or show the in-app order number or QR code to staff so they can locate your order. This speeds pickup. Verify every item before leaving. If something is missing or wrong, tell crew right away so they can remake it or refund. If the app stalls, refresh the order screen, restart the app, or call the restaurant using the number in the app. If needed, use the Help section to submit a support request with your order number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.